That is some heavy-duty snow and sleet to go along with a really big wind. Well, Greg,
Yeah.
this is looking like a pretty blustery, snowy day here.
Oh, it's gorgeous.
It is beautiful today, isn't it? I think so. I like your pack cover.
Yep.
That Osprey, that's a pretty nice setup.
Not that we're sponsored by Osprey.
No, we are not sponsored by Osprey, but we are fans of Osprey. Our cover's on. Now, my cover won't go all the way around. I'm going to have to do some experimenting at home because I have a winter tent on there that is big, really big. You might want to mention the 40-mile-an-hour wind.
Oh,
too.
that was just on the way up. We're not going to have that.
Well, not in the woods. Here, we'll look over here at the top of the trees.
There you go, yeah.
Yeah, you can hear things ripping pretty good. It's, yeah, when we get out near the lake, we'll have to take another picture of this.
Picture of that, exactly.
Yeah, but we got our packs pretty much set, and we do have a tarp and some stuff with us in case we want to block the wind. But we're really glad to see that it is snowing because it was raining part of the way up, and that's ugly when it's raining. But snow, this is gorgeous, and we can handle this. So hey, stay tuned. We'll show you a little more about this adventure. We got some pretty high winds here, to say the least. It's really hammering. And what I'm doing to set up my tent is I staked each corner down. This is my footprint. Then I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to use the same stakes to attach my other tent, the top part, so it doesn't all blow away into the woods somewhere. Hopefully that'll work. So this is an ALPS Tasmania 2-person. And yes, sticking the things in the ground when the wind was blowing did help a lot. Right now in the process of putting up the cover. Once the cover is up on this ALPS, it's really quite amazingly huge. So when they say 2 people, they mean it. But we'll see how it kind of win because we're supposed to get 40-mile-an-hour blows yet. So we'll see how she does. Pretty color, shows up in the woods. All right, well, here we are inside the tent. You can hear the wind blowing outside. Things are flapping around pretty good here. Watching the bottom. That's a heck of a breeze out there, 40-mile-an-hour gusts. I did make one mistake. I did not pack, my cover did not cover everything well enough, and I did not pack all my stuff in bags, waterproof. I usually put everything in one big plastic bag and then stuff it in there. So my down blanket's a little damp. I think it's not too bad, but I guess time will tell. I got a little spot on the sleeping bag too, and it's down as well. So, you know, it's what it is. We are here, so I'm gonna have to live with it. So hopefully I won't die tonight, but it's not supposed to get that cold. So I'm using a Nemo air mattress, and I've got a North Face 30-degree bag down, and then I've got a Vumos silk feel liner in it, which adds about another, well, this one only adds 5 to 10 degrees. I don't know if it'll even add that much. But, and then I got some pillows. So we'll bring that over. And then, of course, I have my down comforter over the top of it. So it's a good chance I'll actually be too warm tonight, which is not a bad problem to have when you're camping out in the boonies. So this tent has quite a bit of space in it. It's a 2-man, which I'm glad I got. Because my other 2-man is a 1-man when you get down to it. But I can get all my gear and stuff in here. This has 2 vestibules, one on both ends. And quite frankly, it's nice. I can have a whole bunch of stuff. I could actually almost put a chair in here and sit down and read. Yeah, well, you can always tell it's really cold out when there's a layer of ice on the lake. It's cold. But we got some cool tents set up. Greg will tell you more about his, I'm sure. Now in this case, Greg is using cotton balls soaked with Vaseline. You'd be amazed how well these things burn. It's great in any kind of weather. And he's going to get a little bit going there, and then he'll add some more sticks and stuff to it. Like I said, it's been snowing hard. So,
They're wet.
yeah, everything's pretty wet. Went out and scrounged as many dry pieces of wood off the ground. Of course, in a national or state park, you don't want to take anything off the trees or cut down any trees. That's a big no-no. Respect the park, respect the environment, and only take what's on the ground.
There we go.
All right. Notice he doesn't start with a huge amount of wood. He'll get a smaller fire going in the twigs and then add to it. But the thing is, you want to plan ahead and have the wood available, otherwise your little fire will go out. So, oh, Greg has got his knife and flint here, so no matches. Fluff it up a little more, give that a try. Oh, there it goes. That's all it needed. Be open to the air a little more. And voila, fire. And remember, it's been snowing and raining for the last 2 days, so this wood is not completely dry. So you're gonna need some extra temperature there to get everything started. So as you can see, luckily the fire did take a little doing. We didn't have to use any more cotton balls, but we got a nice fire. It's nice and warm. What we didn't think about is the fact that we set up a wind block, which we thought was a good idea, and it turns out it causes a pocket of air movement on the other side that draws the smoke right into it. So next time we'll have to rethink our shape of our wind block, our tarp. So, well, we're gonna sit down and enjoy a nice dinner now. Oh man, it feels good to sit around the fire. Get ready to eat here. Let's see, what have I got? Adventure meals, chicken and dumpling. As I'm waiting for my last 5 minutes for it to set. I can feel the warmth through the bag, which feels pretty good because I had to take my gloves off there to stir it up. But we'll put our gloves back on and eat in just a few minutes. But love to get closer to the fire, but the wind is swirling all over the place and I might catch myself on fire. So we'll just sit back here and enjoy our meal. No, not want that to happen. Hey Greg, what are you having over there?
Oh, chicken and rice.
Chicken and rice? Yeah, that sounds good. Well, I didn't think our wind block was working until I walked over to the other side, and we've still got a pretty good breeze over there. So, but Greg probably found out because he's tall enough for his head to go over the top of the wind block. Oh yeah, still a beautiful night though. You probably can't see. No, probably nope. My camera won't pick it up, but it's a starry night right now. You can feel the cold air. Yeah, it's gonna be a cold one, Greg. So it amazes me what we can fit in those bags.
Yes.
All the stuff you had all over the ground, there it is. I don't know, what do you think, 50 pounds, 44?
Oh God, I don't even want to know.
Oh, probably not. I know mine ended up with water being about 42 pounds. So that is about 12 pounds more than I like to carry normally. But wintertime, that's a whole nother story. 'Cause you got to carry extra to stay warm.
Yep.
Yeah.
Okay.
What do you think?
Up.
Yeah, I'm ready.
It's time to
Time to
walk around, make sure everything's all okay. But I can see right now everything's all fine. So
all right.
I think we're good.
Well, we got that crane coming in to put our backpacks on our back, so that's
yeah.
yeah.
We're gonna need.
Whew.
Here, let me see if I can even do it.
All right.
There's a trick to that.
Gonna use the knee trick.
There is a trick.
Yeah, yes. Nice.
I bet you it's about 50 pounds.
Yeah, I wouldn't doubt it with that
Sure
blanket and
feels
stuff.
like it.
Good thing you're strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Boy, I had snow, so I could use my sled.
Yeah. Well,
A lot
next time.
easier.
Come out in January, there might be snow.
15th? We're shooting for the 15th,
15th of January, yeah.
Right? You're gonna come back here again?
Well, I would like to.
I would too.
I know what's here,
So
so.
do I. And
Yeah.
it's not like it's that super far.
No, it's not.
Makes it kind of nice. We
Yep.
can make it as long as we want.
Yeah, that's right. All right, well, see if I can get mine on.
Okay, let's see if Dave can get his on. Oh, looking good. Maybe.
Oh, that stuff I got on my strap.
Oh,
Messes me
yeah,
up, see?
gets in your way. So that's what's nice by having everything on the inside like what I got.
Yeah.
I don't have much hanging on.
Much bigger bag than I do.
That's true. 75 liters versus a 55, 20 liters more. Right?
You got,
So, yeah,
you got
20
the
liters
ability
more.
to put more weight in yours then.
Yeah, it is designed a little more. Bigger, designed different. But
Alright.
like they say, the bigger your pack, all you're gonna do is just gonna fill it. We made it back. Cool.
Oh, yeah.
Nuremberg Trailhead, which is in the Nordhouse Dunes Recreation Area. We had a great overnighter. It's kind of cool. Weather was definitely an adventure. We had high winds, we had snow, we had sleet, we had rain, we had it all. We tried out a couple new tents. Dave's tent, obviously, from his video, you'll see worked out real well for him. My tent, it worked out really good too. With the wood stove and everything, it just made it hold out different. I was sitting there drinking coffee in the morning while Dave was sitting there trying to get things put together. So it's kind of nice. With those wood stoves, you can cook your coffee up, breakfast, whatever you want. But anyways, we had a great trip, and it was a great adventure. So anyways, this is Greg and Dave
Hey.
over there with the G. Bacher Adventure Chronicles. We'll see you in the next video. Have a great day. Happy camping, guys.
Happy camping.
Bye-bye.